Here I have CUBOT Max 13, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal rear camera, then go to more and select slow motion here. So now let's record something in slow motion. I'm just gonna roll this pen right now, but in slow-mo. So let's get it. Okay, we have it. Now let's check it out. So as you can see, like on video, this pen rolls not so fast as it rolls in real life, because it's like in slow-mo. That's how stuff works in slow-mo. Slowed down, I would say. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.